If you're looking for prime student home in Nottingham, Maid Marian House is the perfect place to be. Boasting a variety of charming studio apartments, this accommodation offers a tranquil retreat for students. From cozy beds to functional workspaces complete with desks and chairs, every detail is crafted to enhance comfort and productivity. But the perks don't end there. Embrace the luxury of private bathrooms and kitchens, ensuring privacy and independence. Moreover, enjoy amenities including complimentary Wi-Fi, access to a swanky gym, inviting social areas, and convenient laundry facilities. With dedicated maintenance and housekeeping services, as well as round-the-clock CCTV surveillance and secure access systems, peace of mind comes standard. Just a stone's throw away from Nottingham Trent International College and Confetti Institute of Creative Technologies, say goodbye to marathon commutes and hello to extra snooze time. The property's prime location offers easy access to a vibrant array of dining options, from the exquisite flavors of the Cumin restaurant to the eclectic delights of Zop Thai street food. For those with a taste for adventure, iconic attractions like the Robin Hood statue and the fascinating City of Caves are mere minutes away on foot. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream home at amberstudent.com today.